Dear students, you are welcome to my class. Today we shall discuss about a very important item of grammar, and that is right form of verb. In the board you see here is the question. The question is complete the following text with right form of verbs given in the box. You know, in this question there will be given a passage with 10 gaps, and to fill in the gaps there will be given some clues, and you have to use the you have to complete the passage using the right form of verbs. There will be 10 marks for this question. So this question is very important. Now you see, I have set a question on the board. Complete the following text with right form of verbs given in the box. These are the clues given in the box. The clues are know, hinder, hear, begin, call, remember, inspire, be, bear, join. These are the words given in the box. You have to use to fill in the gaps. And this is the passage. You see, you must have dash the name of Qazi Nazrul Islam. So it will be, the answer will be answer A. You must have, here you see there is a clue here. It will be heard, because here heard, it will be first participle. After must have, the verb will be in past participle form. So it will be heard. 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 Now B. He dash our national poet. There will be a vibhav, and you know, after he, the vibhav will be is in present tense. So B will be is. B will be is. Now see. The third sentence, he dash as a rebel poet as well. He dash as a rebel poet as well. This is also according to present indefinite. It will be in passive voice. It will be he is. You see there is a verb known, so it will be known, because after vibhav there will be the first participle form of verb. The first participle form of verb. So know will be known. So he is known. He is known as a rebel poet as well. D. He dash in a poor family. It will be in past tense. So it will be he was, and you see bear. There is a verb bear. It will be born. Bear, born. So it will be, bear, born. Bear, born. It will be born. So he was born. D will be he was born. He was born in a poor family, but Dianetics could not dash his potentiality. But Dianetics could not. After could not, you see there is a verb hinder. So after could not, the verb will be in present form. So it will be hinder. E, it will be hinder. But Dianetics could not hinder his potentiality. When the First World War broke out, he dashed the army. When the First World War broke out, this is a clause, and another clause is he dashed the army. You see there is a verb join. There is a verb join. As the first clause is in past tense, so the second clause will be in past tense. So it will be he joined. When the First World War broke out, he joined the army. joined will be joined in first tense. So he joined the but Daniel could not his continued when the first World War broke out. He okay. When the first World War broke out, he dashed the army. You see, there is a verb join. As the first clause is in the first tense, you see broke out. So the second clause will be in first tense. So it will be joined. F number will be joined. Join will be joined in first tense. So F it will be joined. He joined the army. After the war, he dashed to write poems. You see, there is a verb begin. So after the war, it will be also in first tense. So it will be he began. Begin will be began to write poems. So the gap G will be began. Begin will be began in first tense. After the war, he began to write poems. At that time, his poems and songs dashed people against oppression. At that time, his poems and songs, you see there is a verb inspire. It will be, in first tense it will be inspired. So the sentence will be, at that time his poems and songs inspired people against oppression. So it will be, Ace will be inspired. Inspire will be inspired in first tense. So he, at that time, his poems and songs inspired people against oppression. He dashed the Shelley of Bangla literature. He dashed the Shelley of Bangla literature. There will be a bibha and the past participle form of bha. So it will be, you see, there is a clue called. So it will be, he is called the Shelley of Bangla literature. I will be is after subject he, the verb will be is, and the verb is in first tense. The verb will be called. It will be called. So he is called the Shelley of Bangla literature. We should dash him for his great deeds. So for his great deeds, what should we do? We should, there is a clue, remember. So it will be remember. We should remember. After should, the verb will not be changed. So it will be in base form. So it will be, remember will be remember. So J, the gap will be remember. The word will be remember. It will not be changed. It will be in base form. Because after should, would, the verb will not be changed. So you see, in this way, you can complete this kind of passage. So our first gap is heart. Second gap is C is known, D was born, E hinder, F joined, G began, H inspired, I is called, J remember. In this way, you have to complete this kind of passage. So, dear students, I think you have understood the passage very well. In my next class, I shall try to do another passage for you practice. You also, at your home, you will also practice from your own grammar book. Okay? Thank you all. That's all. Thank you all.